Summative assessments in choice questions. The final step in learning English conversation. Hello, English language enthusiasts. Welcome to another episode in our series on conversational English. Today, we're going to delve into a crucial topic in our Asking and Answering Questions module, summative assessments. So, if you're eager to master the art of formulating and responding to choice questions, this video is for you. So, let's start with a simple question. What is a summative assessment? Well, in the context of learning and teaching, a summative assessment is a method used to evaluate student learning at the end of a specific instructional period. It can be thought of as a final exam or test that sums up everything you have learned. In our case, it's a way to evaluate your understanding and proficiency in asking and answering choice questions. It's crucial because it allows us, and more importantly you, to gauge how well you've grasped the lessons, and if you're ready to proceed to the next topic. Summative assessments in choice questions typically involve creating scenarios where you, the learner, would need to ask appropriate choice questions and respond correctly to them as well. These scenarios could involve hypothetical situations such as choosing a restaurant, selecting a book to read, or even deciding on a holiday destination. For instance, you might be given a scenario where you and a friend are trying to decide on a movie to watch. You'll be expected to ask an effective choice question like, would you prefer to watch an action movie or a comedy? And also, to respond appropriately when a similar question is directed at you. Let's dive into some practical tips on how you can ace these summative assessments. 1. Practice. It's an old saying, but practice truly does make perfect. The more you practice asking and answering choice questions, the better you'll become. 2. Remember the structure. Always remember the structure of choice questions. They typically start with, would you prefer, or, do you want, followed by the choices separated by, or. 3. Stay calm and confident. Language learning is a journey, and it's completely okay to make mistakes. The key is to remain calm and confident throughout the assessment. Well, that's it for today's episode on summative assessments in choice questions. We hope this has shed light on the importance of these evaluations in mastering conversational English. Remember, these assessments are not about being perfect, they're about progress. So, keep practicing, keep improving, and you'll be asking and answering choice questions with ease in no time. Until next time, keep learning, and keep speaking English confidently.